the screw gun. It should be right here on. Well, it ain't all screwed off, but I'm going to take a break for a second. Alright, well, we got the metal up on the roof. Still have to come back and cut it off on the end for the length. And because we're recycling this, we're tore an old building down. You'll see that there's a few holes. I don't know if you can see the light. There you go. See the light coming through. We're gonna have to go through and patch up some of these holes so they don't leak. But overall, I'm satisfied with the roof, and it'll work just fine. But it's come a long way, and I think it's looking really good. You got a chainsaw. And as always, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. I think it's here, maybe here. It's somewhere on this page, I promise. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. YouTube algorithm will say, hey, there's a new video, and you'll be able to come and see the progress that I'm making on this particular house and any other projects that I got going on. As soon as I get done with this one, I was going to get started on my $6,000 house purchase, but as it turns out, I had a tenant move out of one of my houses, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to do a refresh on it. It's been about 6 years since it's had a refresh, and I want to go in there and do a cleanup on it and get it prepped and get it ready for rental again. And, you know, just things you do to keep everything fresh and relevant. But anyway, if you got any questions, leave a comment below.